Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Photoshop text tool not showing. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Photoshop. So once you open Photoshop, you simply need to click on edit, go into the preference, go on to the general. So once you are here, a dialog box will be open. So here it is, and then you simply need to click on reset preference on quit. Click here and click on OK. Once you've done that step, you simply need to go back, go on to the Windows, click on Workspace, select Essentials, go again, click on, and here you need to click on Reset Essentials. So once you've done that, you simply need to come here, and here is the type tool that you can use now. So this is the easy process how you can reset text tool not showing issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.